Slide number 27. As we discussed about the note symbols and their values, the duration for which we hold the sound. Now, we also should know the rest symbols so that you can hold the sounds and its rest for the equal value as per the symbols. So you'll find the whole note rest symbol is a small piece of dash hanging on the line. The minim, which is carrying 2-beat sound, if you want to show the rest or no sound, then this sign, which is the small piece of dash sitting on the line, is valid for 2-beat rest. Crotchet beat rest symbol is there, quiver beat symbol and semi-quiver beat symbol. These symbols is given to understand to observe the rest values while playing a song, a melody.